Action.
Hey, hi Sujata. This is What Makes Your Home by Vari, and we are so excited to be here at your home.
Come on in, I'm excited too.
So, do your friends have a favorite hangout spot in here?
Yes, this is where I'm standing. This is the favorite hangout spot. Whenever friends come, we all sit around this place and there's garma garam khana coming in from the kitchen, so love it.
Any favorite art piece that resonates with the Suta spirit?
There is one art piece which me and my sister made, and which is this one. And it might look very random to you guys, but we would know the details of it. The leaf has dots and like some random strokes somewhere here or there. And it's a mix of a lot of things, like a monkey hanging from somewhere, there's a bird somewhere, and it has piece of a heart in every corner. So you might not get the meaning of it, but I just feel it's favorite because of the time we spent on it together, chatting around it. And I think it fits very well with this room because of the colors. So yeah, that's my favorite.
What's a must have item in your bedroom?
A must-have item would be the lights that are there in the corner. I'll show you those lights. Those are these beautiful terracotta lights. These are night lights. And what I feel in the bedroom is when you put on these lights, this becomes very cozy. I like the green color in this bedroom, and hence the terracotta I feel like actually merges with the whole thing, also with the wallpaper. So love it.
So, what's your idea of a quick break?
Funny answer, but whenever I have some issue or my head is jumbled up, I just go in for a quick soak.
So, how does the space here influence your creative thinking for Suta?
So I'll take you to the place where I sit and work. Often spend a lot of time here because this is where I also do yoga. I like the mirror over here. It's a place where I get to think, sit, ponder. You can see the sample behind. We sit here often and make notes about stuff. This is my little workspace here. I've kept this place very cozy. Lets me think alone, shut the door, and just literally meditate while I work.
So, do you have a favorite cozy corner here?
This is a favorite cozy corner here, and I'll tell you, at night when I come here and everything is like it's dark and the lights are off here, nobody is here, this is where I sit, I read a book or watch something. I move over here, the chaise lounge is where I actually lie down and literally sleep, ideate about the next day. So yeah, this space is something that I really like.
So, what's the first thing you do when you step in at home?
The moment I step in the house, this little one, there are two more, they come running and I hug them first. Can't enter the house without hugging them. So once that's done, I go in for a hot shower.
What is that one recipe that you really crave for after a long travel?
Oh wow. Machhe jhol I can't do without every lunch. Machhe jhol, khichuri and chutney. These are the three things I absolutely love. Craving now when I speak.
If you were to start your home decor journey all over again, what would the first thing you'd get from Vari?
This is something which I was looking for when I was working on the kids area. So the kids section didn't have great organizers. I would jump in and buy some great accessories and organizer from Vari.
Let's do a quick this or that.
Triple
Brunch in Suta or cozy movie night in PJs?
brunch in Suta.
Intricate embroidery or bold prints?
Intricate embroidery any day.
Minimalist decor or eclectic collated design?
Eclectic collated designs.
Okay. Can you tell me what makes your home so inviting?
Open space, and the thing that it's very traditional, like the pillars you see, but at the same time it's very contemporary. So that's what is special about it.
Okay, so this one's my favorite. What makes your home your home?
So my home is literally an extension of me. If you know me, the Sue of Suta, I literally combine random things together. My jewelry, shoes, blouse, sari, sometimes doesn't match at all. My house is almost like that, where I have put in things that are very modern sometimes, very, very traditional sometimes, a corner that's extremely different from the whole house. But because I knew how I wanted it to be, literally open, nobody to judge, and doesn't matter if someone's judging, it had to be an extension of me. So the house is the extension of me.
something from us.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure showing you my house. I hope you liked it. Bye bye.